everyone. Just real quick, I want to let you all know, in case you do not know, that Joann Fabric has their fall and Halloween items 70% off, as well as Michael's. And just want to share with you real quick what I got from Michael's. They have this Ashland Gothic Jordan Gothic decorative filler. Original price was $5.99, so that made them to be $2.40 a piece instead of the $5.99. So I was able to get 3 bags for $7.69. Then over here at Joann's, I picked up 8 of these beautiful fall floral picks. I was wanting these before, but the one I went to did not have any. So a few weeks later, able to pick up 8 of them. They were original $7.99 a piece, and they were actually $2.39 a piece. So I was able to save $44 on these beautiful picks. And then, just in case you guys don't know, at Dollar Tree they have these beautiful LED wired lights, and you see they have the gold leaves, and you can use these by wrapping around candles or anything that you want to cause to look decorative and lit. All right, guys, just wanted to share with you my awesome finds for today. Be blessed and be a blessing to someone else, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.